In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play with your friends in Brawlhalla Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure that you and your friend have the latest version of Brawlhalla downloaded. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and make sure that the game is up to date. Afterwards, load into the game and select Online Play. In here, you can simply select Friendly 2v2 or whatever other mode you want to play. So select the game mode and you will be loaded into a room. As you can see, the room has a number displayed up here, and what you have to do is share this room number. Go ahead, select the character you want to play, select the options, the skins, and once your friends join your room by using this room code, they will be able to play together. As you can see, you can also just select Start if you want to use matchmaking. After one of you two create the online play room, the other one has to click Custom Game Room and from here select Join Room, or they will be able to input the room code that was displayed to you when you selected online play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with your friends in Brawlhalla Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.